What's up, Pyros? This will be my first year making a stash video. Some of you guys may have seen shows from previous years. Figured I'd try to do a stash video. Let's get started. I have a little over half a case of the Loto Feliz shells. 3 cases of my balls, just firecrackers. Some random stuff here. More crackers. Fuse. There's a box and a half of double nuts, triple ripples, a couple random cakes. And getting to the bigger stuff, we have a case of Fear. Really nice cake. Dragon King. 2 of the 180 shot Hyper Beast by Raccoon Pro. We have a Demon Knight. Just picked this one up. Really nice board on there. There's a Boom. I think that's a 2-inch 60 shot. Snoop Dogg. A Morador. Just picked up this work. Pretty big cake. Empyrean 3-inch 25 shot. Got a Trippy. A Wild. I have a single cake, a Mojito, 2-inch, 16 shot. There is 2 cases of Draken, the Golden Dragon. Those are packed 2-1. We have a case of Raccoon Platoon, an assortment. We got a full case of Pigs Not in a Blanket, 49 shot fan. We have 2 monies, 300 shot, 10-second cake, Demolition King. And there's a 3/4 of a case of Nazgul. Have a Wolfman, Speedy Gonzalez. Decent fountain here. It's got some mines in it. Bunch of random rockets. There's neutrinos, Pyro Diablo, Saturn V rockets, Welcome to the Sky, Silver Wrap, Mega Willow. There's a case of Howling Witch, DBZ rockets, Mandarinos, another case of the Saturn Vs. Got another little fountain here, lasts like 3 minutes. Got some adult pop snaps. We got 2 Who Let the Hogs Out. Nice Girandola there. Got more Raccoon Pro. Straight Whistling to Trano. This is, I have 3 instants, 1 slow. And then I have a Emberfall Epic Raccoon Pro cake. And then some Dominator Pro slice cakes. Continuing with the pro stuff, we have some shells. There's 120 in this case, 90 in this one, and 96 in these 2. I have a case of crab cakes, a couple leftover Hardcore Pyro Fireball cakes, case of 9mm crackers, an old case of Black Scorpion, Optimus Explosion. These are really cool, you can connect them together. Got a case of Airborne by Wise Guy, and a full case of Echo of Freedom. Recently picked this case up, 6 on Fire. An assorted case. You get 2, 1 through 6. I got a case of Titan Super Saiyan, 2 cases of Thunder. Got about a half a case of the 5-inch Ghostbusters. Full case of the new Ghostbuster 2.0s in bulk. Those are the 6-inch ones. And then a case of Cobra Salute shells. Got a single box of the Samurai 6-inch 100-gram cans. And then I got a little over half a case of loaded single shots. And that's it for what I have now. Probably will be picking up another order or two. But yeah, let me know if you guys need anything, looking for anything in particular. And I'm looking forward to the show this year. Hope you guys are too. See ya.